Okay, RV Nation, this is Shane Carlson coming from Family Fun RV with the RV of the day on one of the most gorgeous Pacific Northwest days I can remember. I am bringing to you the 2020 Forest River Evo 2540RL. This is a rear living floor plan with a couple of really comfortable chairs in the back and the super slide, plenty of elbow room. This is a very, very popular floor plan. However, again, as I mentioned before, Evos are now built in Oregon, so we are going to be able to offer this unit at a substantially lower price than anybody else in the nation. So come down, check it out in person. There are lots of deals going on. And does have the extra door in there as well. So this unit is going to land you very, very comfortably in your budget. So come see it at 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue. Call us at 971-803-7912.